In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord connection issues by syncing your Windows clock. When your PC's time is even a little off, apps that rely on secure connections, like Discord, can hang on connecting, fail to load messages, or have trouble joining voice channels. The quickest fix is to resynchronize your clock with an internet time server and then relaunch Discord to test. It only takes a minute. This is the first of 3 quick methods in our guide, and it focuses on correcting your system clock so Discord can establish secure connections without hiccups. Start by moving to the lower right corner of your desktop and right-clicking the clock on the taskbar. If your taskbar is set to auto-hide, just hover at the bottom edge until it appears. From the menu that opens, choose Adjust Date and Time. This takes you straight into the Windows settings page for date and time, so you don't have to hunt around. Inside the date and time settings, look for the section labeled Additional Settings. In there, you'll find a button called Sync Now. This button tells Windows to reach out to a reliable time server on the internet and correct your system clock. It doesn't change your time zone or regional format. It just aligns the actual time down to the second. Go ahead and click Sync Now. Give it a moment, usually just a few seconds, until you see a confirmation that the time has been synchronized and the last successful time synchronization field updates. If you're on a metered or spotty connection, you may need to wait briefly for the sync request to complete. There's no need to restart your PC. The update applies instantly. With your clock freshly synced, it's time to reopen Discord. Click the Start menu in the corner of your screen, or press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up search. Type Discord, then select the Discord app to launch it. As Discord starts, give it a few seconds to initialize and fetch your messages. You should see it connect more quickly to your channels and voice servers now that your system time is accurate. This simple refresh often clears login loops, endless RTC connecting, and certificate-related hiccups that come from an out-of-sync clock. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog. You'll see a small box appear near the bottom left of your screen. This is a quick way to jump to specific folders or launch small utilities without navigating through menus. Next, with the Run box open, type %ppdata% exactly as you see it here, including the % signs. That's the shorthand for your roaming app data folder, and it directs Windows to open the folder where many applications store user-specific data. If you prefer, you can carefully copy and paste that text into the box to avoid any typos. After typing it, click OK or press Enter. Windows will open the App Data Roaming folder for your current user account. Take a moment to let the folder populate. Sometimes it takes a second to show all the contents. Once the folder is open, look through the list for the Discord folder. It will usually be named simply Discord, and it may contain subfolders and configuration files. If you don't see it right away, scroll carefully. The folder list is alphabetical and can be long depending on how many apps you have installed. When you find the Discord folder, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From that menu, choose Delete. This removes the local Discord files stored in App Data. If you get a message saying a file is in use, it usually means Discord is still running, so close the app and try deleting again. Deleting the App Data folder will remove cached files and local settings, which can help resolve many common issues without affecting your account information stored on Discord servers. Finally, once the folder has been deleted, start Discord again as you normally would. The application will recreate any necessary files and folders in App Data when it launches, often resolving problems you may have been experiencing. If anything unexpected happens, restarting your computer before relaunching Discord can also help ensure all old processes are cleared. The first thing to do is right-click on the taskbar. That action brings up a small context menu where system tools are listed. From that menu, click on Task Manager to open it. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, expand it so you can see more details. Once Task Manager is open, switch to the Processes tab. This tab shows every running application and background process. Look through the list for anything labeled Discord. Sometimes it appears under Apps or Background Processes. If you have trouble spotting it, you can sort by name or image name to make the search faster. When you find the Discord entry, select it and choose End Task. Ending the task forces the application to close completely, including any background helpers or stuck processes that might be preventing a normal restart. This step is safe for most problems and helps ensure you're not relaunching a hidden instance that would keep the same issue. After ending the Discord process, close Task Manager. This clears the screen so you can proceed to relaunch Discord cleanly. Now move to the Start menu and search for Discord. Typing the name will bring up the app in the search results. When you see Discord appear, instead of opening it normally, click on Run as Administrator. Running as administrator gives the program the permissions it may need to update or access system-level resources. A couple of quick tips while you follow these steps. If you use the system tray, be aware that Discord can hide there even after you close the main window, which is why ending the process in Task Manager is important. If prompted by user account control after choosing Run as administrator, allow the permission so Discord can start with the elevated access it requested. If the problem persists after this sequence, restarting your computer can clear lingering issues. That covers the method. Repeat these steps whenever Discord won't respond or needs a fresh start with administrative rights. Following them carefully will help you troubleshoot cleanly and get back to using the app without leftover processes causing trouble.